Well, I think the most important thing is we need to have trust that the researcher is going to be both competent in the field of study, that they have an understanding of effective research methods and designs that can truly tease out the information and the data so that when we can look at it together and evaluate it and determine where are areas for improvements, what are some of the impacts, negative as well as positive. The concept of, are the researchers getting it? Meaning, are they really hooking up with the data and with the agency and its practices and its procedures, its protocols, or is this just a scientific review? And really, the desire for us and the practitioner is that we want them to roll their sleeves up and be elbow deep in this, where they are alongside our detectives as well as our managers, as well as the ability to talk with senior management to understand the complexities of the field. And part of the way of us knowing that is by seeing some of the data that some of the way they start shaping their not just the data description, but also the summaries, as well as early drafts of a direction that they want to go. Because it's not a negotiated issue, but it's one of those ones that we can look at and say, this is fair, that we don't have an agenda going on. We don't have an advocacy of a predisposed destination that they want to be at. We need to look at this, and while we can suspect where we might find ourselves a year or 2 years out, we have areas that we want to study because we want to see, are there weaknesses in one particular area or one particular operation or another within the department. Those early drafts give us a validation, if you will, that they're looking independently, but objectively and fairly, and there's not just one interpretation. And also there's opportunities for us to get early adopting. What are some things that we need to do right now? We don't need to wait until the study is done. We don't need to wait another 6 months or 9 months to get this published. What can the agency start doing now? And in this study, one of the areas was training. Well over half the people there indicated that they felt woefully undertrained, under-resourced in understanding the complexities and having the proper tool set to really work on this field of sexual assaults. And that allowed us to design, working with our training folks. We have LAPD has an entire training regimen, as you would with any organization of some 13,000 people. Professionals that began saying, okay, what were some of these initial findings? Talk to us, describe what you're seeing, this being the researchers as well as our practitioners, and began addressing some of those shortcomings.